Look, there's one thing that completely changed my confidence, my career, and how I show up every single day. And I would have never thought that it would come from gym. See, as women in tech coming from India in the US, in male dominated spaces, I have spent years feeling small, trying to blend in, be polite, say we instead of I, until I started strength training. And that's when everything changed for me. Let me take you back with me. I still remember my first day at the gym. As I was climbing up the stairs, my heart was pounding. I walked in. People knew what they were doing. People were running, lifting, moving, focused, confident. And me? I stood there, looking around, and I felt I didn't belong here. So you know what I did? I turned around and I walked out. I escaped. And that was my first gym experience. So the next time I made a plan, I listed out all the exercises that I will do, and I forced myself into the dumbbell area. Now some of you might be thinking that I could have taken a friend to feel comfortable. Hey, I was new in US. I had no friends, no family, and yes, I am an introvert. So I had to do it on my own. And that's when I learned my very first lesson. Women are conditioned to take up less space. Be thin, be quiet, be agreeable. But in the gym, I walked into the room full of men and lifted next to them. I claimed my space on the bench, the squat rack, the machines. And suddenly it got translated into my professional space. Unconsciously, I stopped hesitating to take my seat on the table. I stopped holding, sharing my ideas. I stopped questioning myself whether I belonged in the room I worked so hard to enter. Because if I could enter into the gym full of men and lift next to them, I could damn as well enter into the room full of male leaders and own my voice. For years, I was trained to say we did this work, even if I did that work. But the gym doesn't lie. I built that muscle, I lifted that weight, I created this change. And that carried over to the professional space. I started saying, I led this project, I built this feature, I made this happen. And you know what? People started to respect me. They started to listen to me. They started to associate my work with me. And that changed the game. Strength training taught me a rule that changed my life. If I don't prioritize myself, no one ever will. I used to overcommit, overwork, and ignore my own needs. But in the gym, I had to build strength and I have to be disciplined. So I did something radical. I put a hard stop on my work. Around the same time, I wanted to prioritize my health, my energy, and my strength. But you know what? My work didn't suffer. It even got better because I stopped draining myself for everyone else. I got promoted. I switched team to the team which works on latest AI. I used to sit in the meetings with all male leaders, my cheeks turning red. I'm being terrified, unable to speak. But in the gym, I failed. I had embarrassing moments. I dropped weights. I looked weak, but I survived. So why not speak in the room full of leaders and own my voice? Because what's the worst that can happen with me? Embarrassment? And I already had n number of times. That taught me that my self-worth is in my hands. And I don't need to prove it to anyone. You know, the ultimate lesson that strength training taught me is delayed gratification. At first, you will see zero to little progress, but I stayed consistent. And then suddenly, I started to see muscles that I never had before. And it taught me that success whether in life or gym or in any domain, is about just being 1% better every day and showing up. So if you are building a career, developing confidence or becoming a leader, just give 1% better every day and show up. It will have a compound effect. Trust me. So if you're struggling to speak up, own your voice, take space, I would say start in the gym. Because if you build strength in your body, that gets translated into your mind. And that changes everything. And if this resonates with you, hit that thumbs up and like button. Comment below what's one thing that you have learned in your fitness journey. I would love to hear that. And if you are in to create your own workout system that works for you and sets you on autopilot so that you can just show up every day, I have got something for you.